Hi, my name is Brandon Heinz, Product Manager at Renkus-Heinz, and we are here at ISE 2023, and I'd love to give you a little rundown of our new loudspeaker series here, our UBX series. The UBX series is a fully featured product range right out of the box. All models in this series are IP64. We have salt spray, chlorine, and UV resistance, as well as a 70 or 100 volt constant voltage operation transformer. But the most exciting thing about the series that we're talking about here is that we have taken all of the math that makes our digital beam steering products work, our Unibeam algorithm, and implemented that in the passive domain. So inside each box, there's this very specially designed passive crossover that addresses each transducer with a very specially designed passive filter that addresses the amplitude domain, frequency domain, and time domain changes necessary to deliver a downward biased, fixed dispersion asymmetrical lobe that delivers beautiful front-to-back coverage, all while reducing the levels of reverberation and reflections in the space, giving you the cleanest possible sound, all while keeping the loudspeaker plumb on the wall with as little architectural intrusion as possible. If you'd like any more information about our UBX series, please feel free to visit our website at www.renkus-heinz.com.